Ready to transform your editing passion into a thriving online business on Fiverr? Today, we're diving deep into crafting a video editing gig on Fiverr that captivates clients and skyrockets your earnings. First, let's nail your gig title. Think keywords clients are searching for. Instead of video editor, go for something specific like professional YouTube video editing or engaging social media video editor. Next, the gig description. This is your sales pitch. Start with a hook that addresses client pain points. Maybe they're struggling with time or technicalities. Then, clearly outline the services you offer. Using bullet points for readability, highlight your unique selling points, fast turnaround, specific software expertise, or a particular editing style. Now, pricing. Don't undervalue yourself. Research competitor pricing, but also consider your skill level and the complexity of the projects. Offer tiered packages, a basic option for simple edits, a standard for more common requests, and a premium for advanced features like color grading or motion graphics. Clearly state what's included in each tier. Your gig thumbnail is your first impression. Make it count. Use a high-quality image or a short, dynamic video that showcases your best work. It should be clear, branded, and immediately communicate what you do. For gig requirements, be thorough. Ask clients for everything you need upfront: the raw footage, any specific music or voiceover they want to use, a clear brief, and their desired style or mood. This saves back and forth communication. Marketing is key. Share your Fiverr gig on social media, relevant forums, and even with your professional network. Engage with potential clients, respond to inquiries promptly, and always strive for excellent customer service to get those valuable reviews. By following these steps, you'll create a powerful Fiverr gig that attracts clients, showcases your talent, and turns your video editing skills into a profitable online venture.